we're wanting you to know we're still working on the pressure ventilation plans. Safety 30's on scene.
Captain, can you spell your first, your last name, what agency, and your title?
Tang Nguyen, Thanhnguyen. I'm a fire captain with the Orange County Fire Authority.
Captain, starting with the time and the location, walk me through this.
Just a little bit before 11:30 tonight, we received a call for a fire in a light industrial strip center for fire in this facility. It's a business complex. It's in the 6800 block of Stanton in the city of Buena Park. First arriving unit found fire in one unit, and it looked like it was starting to spread to adjacent units, and that's when a working structure fire was requested.
Any injuries to firefighters or civilians at all?
So far right now, no, but we do have some people that were displaced that were using it as a temporary place to stay, so we're looking for a way to help them out.
And you have investigators that are just arriving right now?
Yeah, they're just arriving right now. We'll definitely take a real close look and see what was the cause of it, and just make sure that it doesn't happen again.
Your units will be out here probably for a couple more hours?
Yeah, by the very least, because it's going to take some time to investigate this and make sure that we cover everything.
Captain, anybody that might have seen something maybe out of the ordinary, what would you say? Ask them to call the Buena Park Police Department?
Yes, sir. Call the Buena Park PD and they can get to us.
Okay. Anything else to add, sir?
Right now, I would avoid Stanton, and because we've got fire apparatus all over the place right now, it's just not a safe environment.
And it's closed in both directions, correct?
Yes.
Okay.